How to change language on Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit, and once you do that, click on the avatar at the top right, then click on settings. And here, scroll down to the view options section, and from there click on language. You will get this pop-up window right here, in which you will find a bunch of languages that you can choose from. Say for example you wanted to change the Reddit language to French, just click on it, and it might download the app if it's not already downloaded. And after the app is downloaded, the Reddit app will restart with the new language, as you can see right here, the language that you've chosen, in our case the French one. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the language on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.